guys, last week I showed you how to make this lovely face mask. And this video is how to make a face mask pouch in order to put your face mask in to your bag without it being loose in your bag. It can now have a home in a perfect little size pouch. This is my face mask and I will link to this face mask right now. In order to make your face mask, if you were making one exactly like mine, it would be 8 inches by 8 inches and you would need 2 sections of them and another section which is 8 inches by 4.5 inches. So go ahead and hem your 4.5 inch by 8 inch section and also hem your 8 inch by 8 inch section. We are now at a sewing machine and we are going to place our sewing machine on a straight stitch. I am not going to change any of my settings here, and I'm going to put a 90-14 needle in my sewing machine because we're using a fabric cotton. Well, now we are ready to go and we're just going to sew straight down and hem. So that's one side, and this is the second section. So we are going to get our 8 inch by 8 inch section, and then we are going to rest the very first one on top here like so, and then with the second one we are going to rest it on top here like so, and you're going to have a little bit of an overhang because you want it to be like that so you can get in and out of your little pouch. Now either pin or clip all the way around. Now we're going to go over to our sewing machine and we're going to choose an overlocking stitch. Place your overlock foot on your machine. I am going to choose stitch 15. Now stitch 15 is telling me, hey Cassie, put on your G foot, and that's exactly the foot I have on. The overlocking or overcasting stitch has a guide, so you just butt your fabric up against the guide and away you go. Now I'm not leaving a gap anywhere, I'm sewing all the way around this pouch. So I did an overcasting stitch on the outside edges and then I went in on the inside and just did a straight stitch. Now we are going to turn our pouch right sides out. I'm just going to give this a press. And now I have a place that I can store my face mask so it's not just loose in my bag, and I can put my face mask right inside of there. And there you go. Now my face mask has a nice home. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and now that your face mask isn't going to be loose in your bag anymore, it's going to be all organised in this cute little pouch. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Bye!